the smallest micro, or shall we call it the nano Kelly bag? Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name's ClaraZeela and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So as you can see from today's thumbnail, I will be unboxing this nano Kelly bag, fully functional. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to show you what fits inside this, compare it to a couple of other charms, and give you my thoughts on this. So if you're interested, keep watching. So let's first unbox this. You can see it comes in this tiny Hermes box. And inside there is a care booklet called the Kelly Twilly. And just like the real unboxing, it has a dust bag here. Isn't that so cute? Can you guess what color I got? And to reveal, there is the handle. It is a micro Hermes Kelly Twilly Charm. This is in the Rose Mexico color in the leather Tadillac with the palladium hardware, and it has a twilly wrapped around the top and on this string. I'm just going to show you what this looks like. It is so cute. So here it is, what it looks like at the front, on the side, on the back, on the other side, and just like the real bag, it has 4 little feet, and exactly just like the original Kelly, it has this turn lock opening. And so if I open that up, it opens exactly like a real Kelly. You can see that the inside is a chev leather, and on the inside it says here Hermes France, made in Paris. And along here there are some numbers, so very similar to the date stamp on the original bags. Of course, this was made to be just like the original bag, and apparently they had to make use of some of the watchmaking skills to make it, because this is very tiny and very small, and so I can imagine they probably had to use some watchmaking tools to put this together. I'm just going to measure this quickly. So this is 6.5 centimeters along the bottom, and the height is approximately 5.25 centimeters, and the width along the bottom, it is about 2 centimeters. So you may ask me, is this ridiculous? Yes. Is it useless? I'd agree so. Let's see what goes into this bag. So I have some coins. This is a $5 coin and 2 $1 coins. So those will fit in there, no problem, if I needed some spare change in there. And if I had some rings that I wanted to put in there, I'm pretty sure they would fit in there, no problem. Like that, with room to spare, by the way. And I've seen some people put their AirPods into here. Why they would put them in here without the case, I don't know, but as you can see, yes, those fit in there. So obviously I would only use this charm mainly on my nicer Hermes bags, because I do need to be very careful for it. And of course, if I know I'm going to be having a busy day and I need a rough and tumble bag, then there are other bags for that. And yes, I'm looking at you, my Prada nylon bags. Other ways that I've heard of people using this bag is either as a belt charm or even as a necklace. So you could find a chain and hang it around like a necklace. I doubt I'll be using it that way. Or if you're into little dolls, you can give them to your dolls to wear like this. And honestly, she has a better bag than me, because her bag is made out of Tadillac and mine is just in goatskin. And finally, what you could also do is just prop it up somewhere as a nice decorative display piece. If you own any of the other Hermes bag charms, I'll put them side by side so you can have a comparison of the size. So here is the Hermes Pegasus charm. You can see that this charm, they're approximately the same height, but in terms of width, you'll see that the horse charm is about one leg longer. And then if you have this shopping bag charm, you can see again they're approximately the same height. However, back to back, it appears that the Kelly charm is just slightly longer there, but they're approximately the same size. So if you own this charm, you can get an idea of the size of this Kelly bag charm. So how rare is this Kelly bag charm? Actually, I didn't find too much information online. In fact, I only saw maybe 1 or 2 YouTube videos, one coming from GPS on this micro Kelly bag charm, or shall I call it the nano bag charm? And even searching through some bag forums or Instagram, this bag isn't mentioned too often. You may wonder what the price of this bag is, and I can only say it's ridiculous. Yes, it is ridiculous. However, if you're interested to know the price of this bag, go look online because I don't really want to talk about it. Is it ridiculous? Yes, probably ridiculous. Is it useless? Yeah, probably it is kind of useless, but does it spark joy? And I can tell you, yes, because it is so cute, the workmanship is so good, and the fact that it's so rare just makes it a little bit more special. And who doesn't want to feel a little special once in a while, right? So do you really need an Hermes charm or any Hermes charms for that fact? Probably not. However, it's super cute to me. It does spark joy, and the craftsmanship on this is absolutely amazing. So to me, it's almost like a work of art. So I don't think I'll be using this too often. I might bring this out for a special occasion. Most likely, I will probably put this up as a decorative piece just to have a glimpse of it from time to time for a spark of joy. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so already, please feel free to like and subscribe. And if you're interested, you can also follow me on Instagram at ClaraZeela. Finally, if you enjoy watching my videos, you can also support my channel by buying me a coffee, and I will put links down in the description box below. Until next time, see you later and have a fantastic day. Bye bye now.